so you don't accidentally reuse them. You got a break here on this next line. 0 times everything is 0. 0 times 7, 0 times 3, 0 times 6. Okay. They're trying to put these zeros in because that's what most students misremember. That's why there. So 2 times 7 is 14, 4 with a carry of 1. And then it's always 2 times the top number, so 6. Carry of 1 is 7. 2 times 6 is 12. And then you're going to add these up vertically. And when you add them up, there could be carries. This one has not had any thus far.
I got 129,948.
Perfect.
Thanks, Stuart.
Perfect. Really good. Okay, so let's try number 3. So probably just have time. We'll probably have time to do all these. So we'll just go in order. Why don't you try this one and then I'll fill it in after you're done.
Okay. 3 times 8 is 4. 2 0 3 times 5. 2 and 5 times 8. 6 times 8 is 5 is 4. 8 4 0 is 4. 6 times 5 is 30. Then 5 4 4 times 8 is 32. 3 4 times 5 is. Okay, I got
I've got the answer written down. You can check if it's different than that. I'll go through the line by line.
Nope, that's what I got.
That's fantastic. So another one to try. These, they're a little longer. You will have to do them without the grid on your test. So good practice would be to do them away from the grid.
Yeah, this is sort of yeah.
But go ahead and give this one a try and let me know what you come up with.
Okay. Yep, I got that.
Same thing. Very good. Okay, really good. So the next problems are division. These are going to be more difficult. They take a little longer. You have to sort of be creative with how you
Mhm.
do these.
Well, I know for number 1, 30 can go into 94 2 times or 3 times,
Three
and that's
times.
90.
Yeah. So that's a good start. Depending on the number they choose, this can be easy or hard to go. Does it work? You always bring just one digit down. You don't want to bring
Yeah.
multiple down. So 30.
I got to the part where I got 31 and then subtract that 13, bring down the 5, and that's 135.
That's right. So again, like maybe make a little table, 3 to 30 times, 4 or 30 times 3.
30, well, I know 30 times 5 would be 150.
Yeah, and that's too
So that's
big. The question is like,
30 times 4.
yeah, and that's 120, and that's
That
the
would
right.
be so 4. Okay. So I got 3,145.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good. Now I don't know if these all work out perfectly. It has sort of that feel, but we'll just keep going here. Number 18 is the same.
18 can go into 43.
Do you have a guess or
Like 2 times.
2 times? Yeah, that's 36.
Oh, no, it's not times.
So if you're not sure, just go up,
I
each
know it's
time.
not. It's gonna times 4.
Times 4 is 72. It's always good to go one past it, just in
I know
case.
because that's 90.
Yeah, you might need that later on. So it is 4.
18 going to 59 3 times.
That's right.
That is so 2,433.
Yes, and that again worked out perfectly, which be nice to know going into the test or quiz, if they work out perfectly evenly. So got another one here. Go ahead and give this one a try on your own. Let me know what you come up with.
Okay. 15 going to 67. I'm close. Last one.
It does work out evenly, so
Yeah,
that's
I
the
know.
good
I'm just
news.
trying to figure out how many times can 15 go into 150 and sorry, 120.
Say that one more time.
How many times can 50 go into 120?
8 times.
Okay, so then 45,028.
Yes. Very good. One more to try here. Again, probably just have you work it out. And then I've been looking, we'll do some review from last time, some problems. So
So 80, 40. Mhm.
how are you doing on this one?
Good, I'm almost done. 80 can
Fantastic.
go into 160. Three times 2,553.
So I've got a slightly different number here. Maybe you, is this what you wrote, or maybe you said it wrong?
Nope, I got
Okay.
2,553.
Okay, let me just check here. 560. Okay. Yeah, so 2 times, that's 285. And then 80 goes into 285 3 times, that's 240. Do you have this so far? Because
Nope,
that's where we're different. So remember, 80 times 3 is 240.
nope, I got 80 times 3 is 160.
That would be the mistake. That would be the,
Yeah. And
well,
also my mistake is I got for the 80, 140 was the closest I could get, which I thought was times 2. It was 140 instead of 160. That's where I got it wrong.
so unfortunately you kind of gotta erase all your work and go back. I'm
Yeah.
surprised yours worked out evenly.
All right.
So hopefully you're seeing that it
I did. I just read it and I got it right.
okay, very good. All right, so some review problems from the other day here. So these are just sort of free response type problems. All right, so let's say this is 8. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 6. Could you find the area of this for me, please?
Area. So it's the divide by two. That's area of triangle is dividing.
Yeah, so you have to break this up, and it's slightly different than what
I
you saw
know.
the other day.
I know it would be 2 times 6, which is 12, and then 3 times 8, which is 24, and then you add them together.
Well, what you've just described gives you the areas of these.
Oh.
And that's fine. I mean, there's a couple ways to do it. That just means you still have to find this area. This is just an extension of what you were doing. I didn't. If this is unclear, we can go back. But this new box has a 6 by 8 shape to it.
Oh, so then 6 times 8, which is 42.
Yeah, 48.
48.
So yeah, it's 2 times 6 plus 3 times 8 plus 6 times 8.
12 plus 20. And then would you divide that by 2?
No, this is not a triangle. It's
Oh.
so no, you just add these up. All right, so I made that, didn't mean it, really wasn't trying to make that so difficult, but let's give you another one here to try.
Well, I've got it.
84 is your final answer?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
84. But
Okay.
then is this in inches, miles?
Let's call it centimeters.
Okay,
So centimeters squared. So let me give you another one to work on here. Okay, again, this is just a slight variation on what you were doing. Let's have these all in meters. You want to identify the 2 shapes that you see.
Mm-hmm. So 8 times 10 is 80. Go to 16. What would you do?
So sometimes it's good to draw the 2 shapes separately. And like you just said, it's 8 and 10. And the height of the triangle is 8, but what is the base of the triangle?
It's going to be 6.
Yeah. And then you can use your formulas to find the
Base
area.
times height divided by 2. So then 6 times 8, 48 divided by 2 is 24. And then you'd add that to the 80.
That's right.
So then 24 plus 80 is 104.
What are the units?
Meters. So
meters squared.
So 104 meters squared.
Good, really good. Yeah, and it's important to separate the 2. Like in your drawings, they gave you the dimensions. I was being a little more difficult by not giving you everything. So All right, so we're gonna stop there. I would